if you actually want to receive flash Bitcoin straight to your wallet address so that you can get fast delivery of your Bitcoin straight in your wallet address in anywhere of your choice, maybe by Binance, OKS, or Trust Wallet or Bybit. So with this specific method, you'll be getting enough Bitcoin flash straight to your wallet address in a very fast way. So if you actually want to receive it just very fast, just like this, take a look at my wallet right here, just as I receive my own BTC or Bitcoin right here in my wallet. I will guide you through step by step on how to do all this. So now just go ahead to your Telegram right here. Just go ahead and click on this particular search engine right here. Then just go ahead and search for this particular keyword, which is this one right here. Okay, take a look at it right here. Make sure it is this particular verified bot right here. Take a look at it. This particular logo, make sure it is, and make sure it is this particular keyword right here on the search engine. Okay, so if you see it just like this, just go ahead and hit on it. Okay, so you find yourself right here. So just go ahead and click on this particular place right here. Okay, then you just go ahead and click on this right here. Okay, so before all this, you just have to go ahead and buy a plan. So it might be daily plan, it might be weekly plan, it might be monthly plan, depending on how you literally have some funds with you right here. Okay, me myself, I'll be going for daily plan right here. So let me go for daily plan right now. So I'll click on it, then I'll click on open. So now just go ahead and click on choose currency right here. Then you can select any currency of your choice. It might be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or probably USDT, or this particular one right here. Okay, so you can also choose USDT Bob20 right here. So me myself, I'll be using this particular USDT Bob20 under BNB, which is Binance Smart Chain. So let me click on it right now. I will click on process payment. So take a look at it right here. I just have to go ahead and copy this particular USDT Bob20 wallet address right here, and then this is the QR code right now. So I just have to go straight to my Trust Wallet and then pay the amount of this particular USDT, which is 20 USDT. Okay, so now let me go straight to my Trust Wallet right here. Go ahead and locate USDT, click on the USDT and go ahead and click on send. Before you click on send, make sure you have available 20 USDT. So go ahead and click on send, paste the wallet address, then go ahead and input the amount. So go ahead and click on next, then you confirm. So now our transaction is processing. So right now the transaction is showing completed. So now take a look at it, what they said right here. So we have successfully purchased our daily plan right now. So now you just have to go ahead and provide your receiving address. Just go straight to your Trust Wallet and copy your Bitcoin wallet address. So now just go ahead and click on receive, then copy your Bitcoin wallet address right here from Trust Wallet. You can copy it from anywhere of your choice. Maybe you are using KuCoin, OKS, Binance, Bybit, anyone. Then just go ahead and make sure it is Bitcoin wallet address. So just go ahead and paste it right here. So put the amount right here that you literally want to withdraw. Me myself, I will be putting 1.5 right here. Then I will click on send. So take a look at it right here. It is literally loading. So take a look at it right here. It's shown successful. Okay, so now let's just go straight to my Trust Wallet so that I can show you everything, how it literally deliver right there in my Trust Wallet right now. So take a look at it right here. This particular transaction right now as it just deliver right here on my Trust Wallet. So now let me click on it, take a look at it. So take a look at the transaction, how it literally comes straight to my Trust Wallet right here. So everything works smoothly right here using this particular method. So this all the transaction history. I literally received this particular 1.5 BTC Bitcoin right here on my Trust Wallet. Very easy and straightforward. So you know, I literally buy daily plan right there on Telegram. So this particular Bitcoin right here will be on this particular wallet for like 24 hours. That means a day, 24 hours. This particular tutorial is just for educational purpose, not a financial advice. You know, anything concerning cryptocurrency, there is a risk, so you have to apply your risk management.